Hi, you guys. It's your woman, your goddess, Lanice. Thank you guys so much for tuning back into my channel. So today on our beautiful model, Shantia Reba, my aka my first cousin, I'm going to be showing you how to apply the lash strips. So the first tip that I have is applying mascara. This mascara right here is from the drugstore. It's from Maybelline. It has a green top and it is a heart shape like brush, and it literally helps snatch your eyelashes, especially if you don't have any, like me. If you know me personally, like I don't have any eyelashes, so I use this mascara to coat my lashes first and foremost. And then what I am doing now, I am applying the lash to the lash line. My cousin is so extra. She thought I was going to get glue in her eye. So she put a towel or whatever, but I'm literally just applying that lash to the lash line now. But another tip that I have for you guys is that I actually put the lash glue on my lash line, like where I will be applying the lashes. And I will definitely show you how to do that in the next video. But yeah, like it is so much easier just to apply the glue to the lash line and then go ahead and apply the lash on top of it, because the glue, it takes so long to dry. If you just go ahead and put the glue on your lash line and then wait like 30 seconds and then put the eyelash, it's just so much better. So now in the video, I am literally making sure that my cousin's eyelashes are secure. You got to secure that bag, baby. And yeah, we were talking so much junk, and this video was literally like 30 minutes. I edited it and now it's just like 4 minutes, and it's just so insane. She's just giving herself a little check me up, like, yeah. And a little bit of her eyelash was coming off, so I went ahead and I applied a little bit more glue just to secure that bag, baby. But yeah, thank you guys so much for, your patience and your time with me, because as you know, it has been a hell of a year for everyone. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. But yeah, Anthony's in the background playing his Fortnite and streaming and everything. But yeah, like I really do love makeup, and thank you guys so much for, your support and your love. It goes a long way. But yeah, look at my cousin's lashes. She is looking super snatched, y'all, with her little beautiful self or whatever. But yeah, like, with eyelashes, for me, honestly, it took me my first try to put on eyelashes. It literally took me like 30 minutes, like 15 minutes each eye. But once you glue that lash on, honey, once you get past that first time, baby, then you can do anything. If you can glue a strip lash on, you is invincible, baby. But thank you guys so much for tuning in, and you guys rock. Love you. See you later.